What's up, YouTube? What's up, y'all? My name is Rabbi Barry Jones, and you're welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, so as you can guess by the title, or as you can see by the title, this is 6 fonts you need for your design in 2022 part 4. Okay, so this is my Pinterest. I'm on Pinterest, you guys. I'm pretty sure a lot of you doesn't know that I'm on Pinterest. Yes, and I have a few works there. I have a few likes and a few views and all those things here, so you guys should check me out there and kindly follow me. Okay, let's get into the video real quick. So for today's 6 fonts, I have very dope selections for you, and with this I'm going to do it one after the other. And you guys should note, I haven't used these fonts. Yes, I downloaded them fresh and I'm giving them to you guys, so there won't be any samples or like I used it for this work or I used it for that work. Okay, so let's get to it. So first font we have here is called Lakers. Okay, Lakers. And Lakers is a very cool font. I'm pretty sure you can use this for cover art, artworks, all those type of things, like music artworks. Yes, so imagine this in like a cool song title with produced by an artist name. Is going to be very nice. So the name is Lakers. Just type download Lakers font, download Lakers font. Yeah, I think that's the only thing you have to type, and you're going to get the font intact and everything. Okay, let's move on to font number 2, and we have, is it Quaker or Quaker? No, this is Quaker. So yeah, we have Quaker here, and the one thing I love about this font is the Q. I mean, the Q is so stylized. Like, is it stylish or stylized? No, I don't know any of the words that works for you, Charlie, but this font is dope. Font near comma. So yeah, just search download Quaker font, and you're going to get a lot of selections. You just enter, then you download any of them, and with this you can use this font for mainly magazine designs. You see, back cover. I mean, I don't know if you understand what I'm trying to say. Yes, and also if let's say you've done like a design or something that has to do with pictures, like photography or anything, you can use the font to type in the name, stylize the whatever. I just said stylize again. Hey Charlie, off later they create my own English. Okay, let's move on to font number 3, and we have excellent display. And look at this font. God damn, this font is dope. So with this font, I mean, I don't know, let's say you're going in for something very subtle, something not shouting, something very cool, you can just use excellent display. It's a very cool font. Yeah, with this, in my case, I'm going to use this for my next political design. I don't know, whoever is going to bring me like a deal or whatever on political designs, this is the font I'm going to use, because damn, excellent display, guys. Okay, let's move on to font number 4, right? Font number 4. Okay, and with font number 4 we have Versatile Azalea. Yes, Versatile Azalea. And look at how oh my god, this font is dope. So if you zoom in, this is what you're going to get. You see, there's this kind of details in a font that makes it looks very, I mean, more vintage like or something. I don't know how to put it, but it's a very dope font. So with this, you can replace this with hair tying. If you guys watched one of the fonts video, you can replace it with hair tying or autograph or anything, because this is mostly like the same font as hair tying. Yeah, so let's move on to the next font, and we have Overtis Signature. Damn, Overtis Signature. So with Overtis Signature, is the same as, it looks a little bit like autograph, but then with this you can read what you're looking at. You can see the Overtis Signature, but then with autograph you don't really see what you've typed. It just gives you this kind of rough vibe. But then this is a very cool font. You can use this mainly for names. Let's say you've done a design, you want to put the pastor's name, or you want to put whoever's name beside the person's picture. You just use Overtis Signature and you're good to go. So yeah, last font, the final font is this font. Oh my god, it's called Monica, with a Q, Monica. So yes, this is Monica for you guys, and it's giving me Heather Green vibes. It's giving me Kenyan coffee vibes. You see, the font's called Kenyan coffee. You guys know, I'm pretty sure, because they are elite fonts. Yes, so Monica is giving me those kind of vibes. You can use this font for church flyers, I don't know, like mostly I have my type of fonts that I use for type of designs, but somebody can use the same font for cover arts, church flyers, how do you call it, magazine designs, whatever. So it depends. Yeah, but in my case, I'm definitely going to use this for church flyers. Yeah. So guys, that will be it for the fonts video. But then one last thing, I'm pretty sure you guys are, yes, how should I put it, yes, with this, I just posted a few works here on my Instagram, and I'm pleading with you guys. The comments on my works are very, very low. I don't know why. You see, I get like 172. Sometimes I get 300 and something. With the graphic design contest, I have 406. And with this, I got a lot of comments. All right, but I don't know. Sometimes you guys don't comment on my. I mean, if the work is nice, just say something about it. You understand? So yeah, I posted some few works here, and with this work, I had only a comment and I replied. So you guys should, I mean, come out for me. So yeah, I'm pretty sure you're going to do this for me. If I post and you find it attractive, just put something nice there to show appreciation, like to show that whatever I'm doing, I should keep on doing. You understand? Because I've been giving you guys inspiration for so long. Yes. So guys, that will be it for the fonts video. Kindly subscribe to the channel, like the video, and I'll make sure to see you in the next one. Bye bye.